In this video, we continue conversation about groups functionality and will focus on anti-spam module. Your bot created using MenuBuilderBot constructor can help you clean your group from unwanted content. The bot checks all messages from your users in the group and processes them according to the specified rules. Bot checks both all new messages and the edited ones. In previous video, we have already added our bot to the group, so now we will only cover the settings. In order to set anti-spam, we have to go to the group settings. For this, we go into admin, channels and groups. We choose our previously created group and go to anti-spam section. First setting is anti-Arab. It determines whether the bot will identify messages and user accounts with Arabic text as a spam. It has three settings. First one is off. Bot will ignore all messages and accounts. Bot can check only messages, or it can check names and messages at the same time. Next setting is anti-FEOP, which is the same as the previous one, only it checks FEOPic spam. It also has three states: off, when bot ignores such messages. Bot can check only messages, or names and messages. Next setting is links. This option determines whether the bot will identify user messages with specified number of links as a spam. It has four states. First one is off, when the bot ignores the messages with links. 1+ means one or more links are prohibited. So basically users cannot send links when this setting is on. 2+ means two and more links are prohibited, so one link is allowed. And then 3+ means two allowed and three and more already prohibited. Next setting is hashtags. It's the same as links, only applied to the messages with the hashtags. It also has four states. First one is off. Then 1+ means message with one and more hashtags will be deleted. 2+ and 3+, which two hashtags are allowed and three and more will be deleted. Next setting is emoji. It works a little bit different. It defines the percentage of emoji in the message that has to be deleted. For example, if you set 10, it means if the message has more than 10% of emoji in the message, such message will be deleted. You can specify the percentage you want. "100% means if the message contains only emoji, such message will be deleted. Option Start Links defines if user can send any messages containing the links to the bots. Same applies to the referral links. It can be off or on. In public groups, some users can send anonymous messages on behalf of their channels. If you want to prohibit such behavior, you can turn on message by channel. Once on, all anonymous messages will be deleted by the bot. Next setting defines the punishment that will apply to the user if his message got under the filter of your previous settings. First state is punishment is off. Second one is ban, which is in fact a mute, like a read only. And the last one is kick. Kick means user will be kicked from the group. Next setting is minimum text length. It defines the minimum size of the message. Once off, user can send any message he likes. 1+ means any number of characters are allowed. 2+ means minimum message size is 2 characters. You can choose between 2 and 10. No punishments are allowed for this setting, so even if the punishment is on, it doesn't apply to this setting. Last option is delete voices. If you don't want to see any voice messages in your group, you can turn on this option, and the bot will delete all the voice messages. Once you made all necessary settings, you can go to your group and test it there. When testing the functionality in the group, remember that the bot doesn't react the messages of your group's admins. So you should test it from accounts of regular users. This is all about anti-spam section.